Every day we are busy with day-to-day activities and high stimulation activities like scrolling on social media, binge watching Netflix, gaming, and things that give us instant gratification and that instant dopamine fix. Yet we neglect learning, training, reading books, meaningful chats, working on our goals, things that will actually move us forward in life. So our brain wants to do what is easy and what it gets instant gratification, instant satisfaction from. And also this then means short-term pleasure rather than working towards the long-term goals and the long-term plans. Whatever we are the patterns of our brains. And if you can't control your brain, it will start controlling you. Not often are we just being in the present. When your mind is stable, then you can become aware of your thoughts, your feelings, your actions, and you can start to do in life what you want to do. This is where meditation and mindfulness come in. Now, many people think meditation is an exercise where you need to be sitting cross-legged like a yoga pose, and meditating actually means being mindful or focusing on a particular object or thought and becoming calm and stable state. And now meditation allows you to be in the present moment. You recognize your automatic triggers, past and future, and change them so that you are not reacting. You become aware of your emotions, you become aware of your thoughts and feelings and the patterns of your subconscious mind. And it's only then that we can consciously choose our thoughts and behaviors and become aware of what we need to nurture. And there are so many ways you can do this and become really mindful throughout the day. You can take a few moments out of your day and become really present. It is proven that mindfulness meditation practice changes our brain and our biology in positive ways, improving both mental and physical health. So how can we do this? Number 1, walking. You can take a walk in the park, enjoy the surroundings, the wildlife, the dogs, and really take in the environment around you. Take a deep breath in and out and become aware of the moment. Physical work at the gym. So you can focus on the current sensation when working out and become really present. 3, breath work. Now there are so many apps out there where you can just do a few minutes of breathing in and out and bring your awareness to the current moment and really observe your thoughts. 4, household chores. So we all have to do household chores, including washing the dishes or folding the clothes. Because when you do this work, it doesn't involve thinking. So again, focus on being in the present. 5, driving. This is what I normally call me time. And again, it could be driving your kids to school, driving out to meet friends, going to work for some of you. And again, it's something that you can easily do and you can bring your awareness to your thoughts. 6, daily activities like brushing your teeth, combing your hair. You can observe your thoughts. And lastly, looking in the mirror. And why not practice ChatGPT? Now, this is not the ChatGPT I'm talking about. It is chatting to yourself with gratitude, positive words, and thankfulness. Start becoming more aware of yourself every day to avoid going back to the old unhappy self and really become aware of your thoughts, your emotions, and your behaviors. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on future videos, meditations and affirmations, and I'll see you in the next one.